Hey family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Mpho. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys two platforms in which you can start making money online by typing in 2023. Now, without wasting any more time, if you're new to the channel or happen to be in this video for the first time, welcome and thank you for watching. I share content on how to make money online, and if this is the type of content you are looking for, then you are in the right place. Please do consider joining the family by hitting the subscribe button, not forgetting the notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, YouTube can notify you. With that being said, let's just dive into today's video. Now, for the first platform, we'll be looking at a platform called Daily Transcription. So Daily Transcription offers 100% human-generated transcription and translation services. So you can simply come to this page to learn more about the company, or you can simply watch this video that will explain everything in more details. You can also come here to look at the reviews of people that have used Daily Transcription service. These are the companies that they have partnered with. These are very big companies. So for you to get started in your typing job, you simply come to the bottom of the page to where it says careers. Click there. You are then going to be prompted to a page like this one where you can start with the application process. So the benefits of working with Daily Transcription is the fact that you can set your own schedule. You are going to get paid on a weekly basis, and they claim to pay higher than their competitors. Their competitors being Rev, Transcribe Me, Transcription Puppy, and many more. You are going to receive training and coaching. So even if you're a beginner or someone that's looking to start a career in transcriptionist, don't be afraid to apply. You are going to be receiving coaching and training. So here they say they don't guarantee any specific amount of work per day or per week, but their top transcriptionists can make somewhere around $350 to $950 per week. So these are the positions that they currently have: an English transcriptionist, a captioner, and a Spanish transcriptionist. So who are they looking for? They are looking for just about anyone that's looking to make money online, whether you're a stay-at-home mom, dad, a part-time teacher, a writer, or just about anyone that's looking to supplement their income. But you must be able to work independently and meet strict deadline. They're also looking for beginners. So even if you're a beginner, please don't be afraid to apply for this particular job. How do you get started? So in order for you to get started, you simply click on the position that you want, or the position that best suits you, which is these three, and then it will prompt you to a page where you need to put in your personal details. Please take note that you're going to perform a skills test just to test your grammar and your punctuation. Thereafter, you are good to go in starting to make money with typing. If you've got any other question, please visit their FAQ section to get answers. So you can get the link down in the description box that will direct you to this particular platform, or you can simply write it down on your notepad. Now, moving on to the second platform, but before doing so, if you find value in this video, kindly hit the like button. It also helps reach more people that are looking to make money online. And for the second platform, we've got a platform right here called Speechpad. Speechpad is also a platform where you can get paid for typing. You can either become a transcriber, a subtitler, or a captioner, or you can become a translator. So you can come to this page to learn more about the company, the customers that have used their services, the companies that they've partnered with, and many more. So for you to become a transcriber or a typer on this platform, you simply come to the bottom of the page to where it says careers. Click there. You are then going to be prompted to a page like this one. So this is where you can start with the application process. But before that, let's just learn more about how much you can earn and all of that. So here they say you can work from anywhere at any time. They don't have minimum hours required, so you can simply set your own schedule. And also please take note that there are no upfront payments, so you don't pay anything for you in order for you to get started in working on this platform. The only thing they need is that you should have a computer and a strong internet connection, and that's all they need from you. And you're also going to get paid on time. So you're going to get paid on a weekly basis, and you can pick the type of job that you want. They are not going to select the job for you. So this is how much you might earn. So this is basically per minute base. So you can earn somewhere around $0.25 per minute to $2.50 per minute. as a transcriber. You can also earn somewhere around $2 to $5 per minute as a translator, right? So in order for you to get started, you simply come to the bottom of the page to where it says apply now and start earning. Click there. You are then going to be prompted to a page where you can start with the application process and fill in your personal details. Thank you for watching. Until next time, have a good one.